Hello, what's up you guys? It's Justin here from Up North Motorsports bringing you another YouTube video. So if you saw in my previous videos, I did install some reverse lights from Auxito as well as the high beams. So today we partnered with them again and we'll be installing the low beams and then comparing them to the Chevy Colorado stock lights kind of thing. So alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so I did take it for a little cruise right before making this video just so you can see on the road how the low beams are compared to these aftermarket Auxito ones are. And so yeah, we'll just go right forward with the install. So if you haven't seen the high beam install, definitely stick around. If you have, you can fast forward a little bit to the review part. But yeah, so we'll start by taking off this cover. You got a little thing right there, torque 15, and I believe there's one down there kind of thing you gotta take off. So you get that off and then you should be able to access the dust cover for your passenger side one. Maybe I'll move that out of the way for now. Don't need the plug-in for right now kind of things. Do need it for outside as it is cold outside, but yeah, so I'll get forward getting that cover off. Okay, I'll just turn on the flash for this one. So the low beams are a little bit more tricky to get at than the high beams. You pull this thing back, you can see the dust cover for the high beams. And then way back there, I don't know if you can see, maybe I'll draw an arrow or something. You can see the low beams. So way back there, it's a little bit more difficult to get at, but you can still be able to reach it once you pull this back. Also, I do got the air intake kind of thing that takes up a little bit of space, but yeah, hopefully I should be able to get in there and be able to change the bulbs. So yeah, we'll get to that. Alright, so what I found worked good was just dropping the dust cover and leaving it there. Find you well caught it, especially if you do got the intake, because it doesn't give you much wiggle room in there. Okay, alrighty, and then we'll go install the auxito light. Let's see if we can see mine. Already down there. There we go. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. There we go. Some tie straps, plus the key to adjust, but just do a comparison of the old bulb versus the new bulb. You can see same fan buttons, kind of, or I don't know what to call those, little tabs kind of thing. Both facing the same way, so I think that's set up correctly, just the way looking at it. See, it's got the fan motor for cooling, stuff like that. Alrighty, let's get them into the truck. Alrighty, to get them in, you pretty much are doing it by feel for the passenger side just because you got all the stuff in the way. Alright, nice and easy to get in kind of thing. Okay, I'll just hit the... Oh, there we go. Very bright as opposed to the dim stock ones. As you can see, about the same height on the wall as well, so that's good. Alrighty, I'll put the dust cover on the hard part. Try to tuck, what you want to try to do is tuck these wires in there as best as possible so you can put the dust cover on. Alrighty, okay. Alright, and repeat the same process with the driver's side. The driver's side is obviously a lot more easier to get at. I already took off the dust cover from that one. And go ahead and install the bulb. Okay, so since it's easier for me to show you on this side, on the driver's side, so that's about how nice I like to get them tucked in. You can see the wires are not sticking past the thing. It helps get that dust cover on kind of thing. So there we go. Alright, so before even going on the road, I can already tell that these low beams are a lot brighter than the stocks, but I'll go out on the road so you guys can make a comparison. Okay guys, these are the stock low beams for the Chevy Colorado. A little bit of snow. This is a back gravel road kind of thing. Somewhat cloudy today as well, so you don't get the moonlight shining through too as well. Okay, so these are the low beams on the gravel road. A little bit of snow coming down now after I got them installed. As you can see, it's way brighter compared to the stocks. Compare the two videos. You can almost compare these with the stock high beams kind of thing. But yeah, if you combine these, the low beams with the high beams, the auxito high beams as well, you can see for a long time, you definitely have a lot more confidence driving in the snow or rain or in the dark. Yeah, big difference overall compared to stock. Okay, so you can definitely see the difference between the stocks and the auxito LED bulbs, as you can see in these two pictures here, the before and after. Alrighty, so if you guys did like these bulbs and want to purchase some for yourself, I do have a link in the description as well as a discount code. Use my discount code UPNORTH to get yourself 15% off. Good Christmas present to yourself kind of thing. Okay, and then if you did like these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button. I think that one would be a subscribe button. And then this is just another video related to this video, so yeah, definitely check us out. Leave some comments. Tell me what you think. As always, like hearing from you guys. Okay, have a good one. Till next time. Bye.